welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to track the status of your order on DoorDash. We'll begin by opening up your DoorDash app like I have here. Once you have it opened, go ahead and log in into your account. And then once you're logged into your account, look over here on the bottom. Do you see where it says orders? Click on that. And then this should list all your orders. And I'm going to go ahead and click on view order. All right. And if you see over here underneath where it says schedule, do you see this right here? This is telling you the status of your order. Okay. So right now, if when it's on this part, you have placed the order with DoorDash. When it reaches this part, this means that he has let me see. He has reached the restaurant at this point, okay? And then after this point, if he's going towards over here, so you see this line? So right now it's on DoorDash going towards the restaurant. And then if there's another line coming towards this way, that means the restaurant has received the order, has prepared the order. Now it's being sent for delivery. Okay? They're trying to find a driver. Okay? If the line goes from here to here, that means the driver already got it and it's out for delivery. Okay? That's how you can check the status of your order on DoorDash. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.